This is question 2 from the 2023 Higher Engineering Science paper. And here we are shown a little op-amp circuit. And we're told a design for an operational amplifier circuit is shown, and we're asked to calculate the gain when the input voltage is 0.11. So if you are feeling uncertain, one of the best things to do with quick questions like this is to work out quickly what you're being asked for. So we're being asked to calculate the gain. We're told what our input voltage is, and we can see our output voltage here as well. And a quick look shows you that as well we don't have RF or RI. Now, one of the things I'd always encourage students to do is to therefore write out what you've got in case you need just that little bit of a jog of a memory. So VI is 0.11, VO is 7.59, I'm being asked for the gain. Now, you don't have to worry too much about remembering this because it'll be in the data booklet. So we just go to the data booklet here and go to our op-amp circuits. You can see that this is, what kind of circuit? This is a non-inverting circuit. And so for that, you can see that our gain equation is AV equals VO over VI. So gain, AV, is output voltage divided by input voltage, which in this case 7.59 divided by 0.11, and sticking that into the calculator, that gives us a value of 69. Remember here, you can always rewrite that if you want, but remember here then that AV has no units because it's a ratio. It's only 1 mark, so that makes sense, that simple calculation. And the second part of the question is to determine appropriate resistor values for RI and RF. Now again, if we go back to the data booklet, you can see here that AV, the gain is equal to 1 plus the ratio of RF over RI. So AV equals 1 plus RF over RI. Substituting what we know, that gives us that 69 equals 1 plus RF over RI. What you want to do now is just rearrange that. So we know that RF over RI is equal to 69 take away 1, which gives us 68. And I would write out that means RF is equal to 68 RI. And if we say that RI is going to be equal to 1 kilo ohm, that would then tell us that RF was equal to 68 kilo ohms. And here you're being asked to determine appropriate values. And so using 1 kilo ohm as a standard input value would be totally appropriate, and RF at 68 is appropriate as well.